Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Nikon Z6E and the Sony ZV-E10. If you're a photography enthusiast looking for a new camera, this video is for you. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Alright, let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Nikon Z6E boasts a 24.5 MP full-frame BSI resolution sensor, delivering exceptional image detail and excellent performance in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, coupled with the fast Bions X processor, ensuring impressive image quality with vibrant colors and sharpness. For videographers, both cameras offer exceptional video performance. The Nikon Z6E impresses with its full-frame 4K UHD video capabilities, utilizing full pixel readout for outstanding image quality. With 4K UHD 60p, you can capture your footage with top-of-the-line clarity. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 provides 4K movie oversampled from 6K, delivering incredibly detailed videos without any pixel binning. You'll be amazed by the professional-looking videos you can create. When it comes to versatility and features, both cameras have their strengths. The Nikon Z6E offers mirrorless versatility at its best, with a burst rate of 14 FPS, perfect for capturing fast action moments. It also features dual card slots, providing flexibility and peace of mind during important shoots. Additionally, the Z6E is compatible with a growing line of Nikon Z lenses, as well as F-mount Nikon lenses with the FTZ mount adapter. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 introduces convenient features like the product showcase setting, which transitions focus smoothly from face to object, making it ideal for product reviews. It also has a background defocus button, allowing you to toggle the defocus effect on and off instantly. Now, let's talk about the price. The Nikon Z6E is priced at $1,996, offering excellent value for its impressive features and performance. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 comes at a more affordable price of $798, making it a great choice for budget-conscious photographers or videographers. And that wraps up our comparison between the Nikon Z6E and the Sony ZV-E10. Both cameras have their unique strengths and features, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize image quality, video performance, or versatility, there's an excellent option for you. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Remember to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.